Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how is you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish, you will see unique girls nail art ideas. Today you will see in this videos 40 plus modern girls nail art, nail polish and unique girls nail cutting designs. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. I have uploaded stylish girls nail art ideas, plain and printed nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art ideas. So dear viewers, please watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of very attractive and very stylish different girls nail polish with finger ring designs. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please download it my videos and you like this one stylish nail polish and modern girls nail cutting designs. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Publicly interactive, you will see stylish nail cutting design. So if you like my videos, so viewers please download it my videos and you like this one attractive nail polish design, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. Marvelous and stylish, you will see very modern girls nail art with finger ring designs. So there is a huge variety of designs in these videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Very outstanding and very stylish 40 plus unique girls nail art ideas. So dear viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy any all stylish unique girls nail polish designs. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please watch my full videos and share my videos. So lovely viewers, take care friends.